Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be going over how to use Kittle's AI image generator to help you make t-shirts for print on demand. Now, I found this tool very useful if I can't find the right t-shirt template to choose, or if I'm having trouble coming up with a design from scratch on my own. Think of it as writer's block, but for coming up with shirt designs. It happens probably more frequently than you think. So I'll be going over how I solved this problem myself, so you can decide if Kittl is the right platform for you. If you're thinking about checking out Kittl, check in the description below for a link. And if you find this type of content useful, please like and subscribe. So let's get to it. All right, we're just going to go into Kittl. And if you don't have an account here, go ahead and make one. It's free. You do get some access to some of the tools and designs under free accounts. But if you want access to everything, and if you want to make more than a few AI image generations, then Pro is the way to go. Now I'm just going to go ahead and go up here under New Project. Okay, we're going to go on to POD Presets. I'm going to choose the first one, Merch by Amazon Dimensions. Create. And today we're going to make a Thanksgiving themed t-shirt design. So I already have a slogan for it, so I'm going to paste it up here as a name. So grateful heart, full plate. So what I'm going to do first is I'm actually going to generate the image. We're going to assume that I've checked the templates and I've checked all the elements and that I have not found anything that I could use for this shirt. We'll just assume that. Just for fun, I'm going to go ahead and type Thanksgiving in here and see what Kittl does have for this. But I'm not going to use it. So let's say I just wanted to make a complete custom shirt. I cannot find any designs or templates I could go off of or manipulate. And I'm having trouble coming up with a design, like an image for the shirt. So this is where Kittl's AI tool comes in really handy. So down here on the left, you're going to see the image generator at the bottom. We're going to click that. And up here is how many credits you have. So one AI image generation equals to 1 credit. I believe if you have the pro account, you get 80 credits per month. I think the free account gets maybe 10 credits total. I'm not quite sure on that, but the idea is you basically just type your prompt into here. So what goes in here is the actual image prompt. Similar to ChatGPT when you give a prompt, but this one's more suited for creating images. And another cool thing is you can change the type of image style. Or let's say if you're making elements, you can choose clip art styles, vector styles, pattern styles. You get the idea. So I'm gonna click show all. And these are some of the image styles we could create. So there's digital art, anime, psychedelic, acrylic, oil painting, photography, and so on. There's plenty of them to choose from. And what we actually want to do is we not only want to make an image, but we actually want to make a t-shirt design. There's a specific button for t-shirt designs only. So right here, it's going to be under clip art styles, t-shirt graphic. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one. And as far as the image prompt, I'm going to show you a simple way of making a prompt, maybe one that you might type in upon your first time using the AI image generator. And I'm going to show you another trick using ChatGPT afterwards to help us come up with our image prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and just see if I could get a simple AI image generation out of this. So I'm going to put, make me a Thanksgiving shirt design with a heart image and a plate full of food. Let's see what that comes up with. Oh, this will only take a few seconds to generate your image. This is what we got with a simple AI prompt. To me, this actually doesn't look too bad. I actually don't see a heart in here. This is supposed to be a heart. I'm not sure. But this isn't too bad, right? For just a couple of sentences to come up with your image prompt. But if you're looking for something a little extra, you could actually ask ChatGPT to come up with your image prompt. So it's kind of like you're using the AI tool to come up with a prompt for another AI tool to use. So you can think of it as you're the boss telling your AI employee to tell another AI employee to make something for you. So the first time I actually did this, I actually thought it was pretty cool. I didn't know ChatGPT could do that. But enough of that. Let's just go to ChatGPT and I'll show you. So inside ChatGPT, you're going to go ahead and create a new chat. And I'm going to go ahead and paste this text I already copied down in here. So it pretty much just says you're in charge of coming up with a blank t-shirt design. You need to come up with a prompt to input to an AI image generator. Typo. The prompt has to come up with an engaging and good, this should be a blank, design that will make many sales online. So all you simply have to do is just replace the quotes with your t-shirt slogan. And once that's ready to go, just press the send message. And now we should have our AI prompt to be able to carry on over to Kittl and use it to make us another image. So I'm going to copy this. And now we're going to go back over to Kittl. And I'm going to make this smaller. And we're actually going to compare the basic prompt versus the ChatGPT prompt and see which one's better. Okay, create image. Okay. So sometimes if your prompt is too long, you'll get this error message. So what you can do is go back into ChatGPT and have it shorten it up a little bit for you. This should work. Now copy this and paste. And okay, this is actually what we came up with. Now it's kind of a good thing this happened because sometimes this does happen. So it looks like it was a small glitch with the AI image generator. And sometimes the AI image generator thinks you want text in the design. And if it does think that, it usually will just spit out a bunch of gibberish. So this AI image generation stuff is not perfect. Sometimes it does require little tweaks. So with the same exact prompt, I'm going to generate the image again. And we'll see if it shoots out the same thing or something different. And then we'll go from there. Okay, it looks like I came up with something similar, but not quite what I was looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete both of them. And I'm going to edit my prompt in ChatGPT. So I'm just going to type this. Looks like it made it a little bit shorter. So we're actually going to try this out and see if Kittl could give us something better to work with. Looks like this is what it got us. I think it's a little bit better than the last thing we got, but still not quite what I was looking for. And one bonus from Kittl is it has this cool AI image background remover. So I'm actually going to remove the background and just see what that looks like. Okay. And it looks like it did a good job removing that background. Now this looks okay. This doesn't look bad, but not exactly what I was looking for. So we're going to go ahead and play around with it a little bit. Now I found from personal experience that sometimes it takes a few tries to get a good quality design that you want to put on the shirt. Sometimes it could take anywhere from 2 to 5 credits using this. So just keep that in mind. If you're on the free version and if you only have a few credits, you can find yourself running out of those credits fairly soon. So I'm going to go ahead and just play around with a different type of image styles and see if we can get something that comes out a little bit better. I think I'm going to try out this digital art style and see what it comes up with. Okay, this is what we got. You can see the difference between this one and this one. This is the t-shirt graphic and this is the digital art. So this looks a little bit more realistic if you ask me. Let's see what happens if you take out the background. Now this is what we have. Yeah, I think this is not bad. This is pretty good. Will it look good on a t-shirt? I'm not quite sure. But I do like this a little bit better than this one and this one. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose this one. And I found also that usually getting the image prompt from ChatGPT usually creates a better looking image or design. And the reason why that is because ChatGPT tends to be a little bit more descriptive and creative when it's coming up with these prompts. So if we go back and read this right here, there's a little bit more description, and you can see right here, t-shirt design that evokes gratitude and abundance, blend the Thanksgiving feast with the heartwarming family scenes and warm vintage style. Use a rich, it even says the color palette in here to include. Use a rich, earthy color palette for a universally appealing design, celebrating life's blessings. So sometimes ChatGPT might give you more detail to work with that you could not have come up with on your own. Okay, so now that we've decided which one we're going to choose, I'm going to delete the other ones. And we're gonna go with this one. And let's make the background different color, just for illustration purposes. Let's try a black color first. I'm gonna center it. And if you wanted to leave this as is right now, you totally could. But I'm gonna go ahead and play around with the t-shirt slogan on the design to see if it makes it look a little bit better. And we're gonna go ahead and add the text. And I'm actually gonna go with one of these vintage designs up here. I kind of like the middle font in this big title right here, so I'm gonna go with this one. X. Make it bigger. Let's make that white. And I'm gonna delete everything except for this middle one. So I just double click it and I'm able to select it. See how that looks right here. Gonna take off the arc. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this and paste it. And we'll get the rest of the slogan down here at the bottom. Double click to highlight all of it. And this doesn't look bad. I mean, this is not the best t-shirt design I've made before, but hey, it's something. And sometimes you'll find that you can't really come up with anything for a certain t-shirt slogan. And now you actually have something to work with rather than nothing at all. So this is helpful and useful. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just finish this up and see how it looks like on the shirt and see if I should modify it any further. So let's finish this up. Okay, we're gonna try this out on the shirt now. So let's go into Mockup. Drag it out to make it bigger. And let's choose a mock-up image on the left. Okay, and that's how it will look like. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. It's not a bad shirt. Will this sell a lot? Maybe, maybe not. But hey, it beats having something out there rather than nothing at all. I know sometimes we could get stuck trying to come up with a design that you really want to put out, but you spend such a long time trying to design something but can't quite come up with something to put out there. So this tool on Kittl can really help you get out of a little mental rut for coming up with a t-shirt design. Okay, since I think this looks pretty okay, I'm gonna go ahead and download it. And once we have it saved, we're gonna go back to editor. And when we're happy with our design, we're gonna go to export, download design, remove background, optimize quality, PNG. All right, now that we have that saved, you're free to upload it wherever you like for print on demand. Now, once again, not the best looking shirt. I think it's an okay shirt. Sometimes the AI image generator puts out a little bit better things. I made a few cool Halloween shirt designs using this AI image generator. It's not perfect. Sometimes it might require a couple of tries to get a good image going on. But hey, it's really useful if you're stuck in a pickle. So that's all I had for you today, folks. I hope you found this video useful. If there's another video you'd like to see, please include it in the comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe and check the description for links. I'll see you next time. Thank you.